New day, new parts. So, I was looking because of the glare. Anyway, new day, new parts. Let's see what we got. Just picked up a trunk. It's a JDM trunk at that. Right there. Alteza. So, there's a local JDM place. Actually, it's called JDM place. They got a lot of cool JDM body parts, engines, transmissions. So I didn't film because I forgot the camera and it was dead charging at home, so why I forgot it. So I didn't really forget it. I left it at home to charge. Anyway, I didn't film. Next time I go back, because there probably will be another time, I'll film then. They have a lot of cool things. They had a whole complete front end for the car, which I may get because it's the same color, blue, as you see here. And it's a complete JDM front end, so that's pretty cool. So I may go back and get that. Debating on if I want to go wide body or not, we'll see. Anyway, so the goal for today, install the trunk, see how the car looks more complete. And then we're gonna move on to the engine hoist. And then from there, we'll move on to getting this ready to pull out. Where it'd be great to have a hand. Instead I got eyes. 2 hands. Make this work. I was afraid I wouldn't be able to find the bolts, but luckily I found 2 of the bolts. So that's enough to get it at least on the car secure. And then I'll go back and look for the other 2, or just find some replacements at Ace Hardware or something like that. Show you guys what's going on here. Well, actually, I can't hold it. All right, so hold on. Okay, it's on. So now we gotta figure out the cable situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this cover. And then we'll figure out the cable situation. Now, just how do they expect you to do that? Oh, it's not as tight as it looks. Okay. Spoke too soon. No fucking way. Oh my god, I just broke it. So, my smart ass, or my dumb ass, however you want to look at it, I just broke this on the new one, or on the one on the car. I went to pull it tight to snap it in to here, and it broke. That's fucking great. Good news, the trunk works. Take a look-see. It's not perfectly aligned, but it shuts. Right here on the left side, the gap is off on the left side. We can lock. Progress is being made. There we go. The bumper tabs are basically all broken. Right here it's broken. Right here it's broken. Again, right here it's broken. Again, right here it's broken. And right here it's broken. So the bumper's shot. I might try to save this one. I may just get another one. It's got a weird crease right here though, so I'll probably just trash this one, get another one. We want to do a kit on it anyway. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the panels on that I have just to clean up some space. So when I go ahead and put together the hoist, we'll have more room for it. It's not on all the way. I just want to get it out of the way so the garage is more clear. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this old seat so I can throw it away in the dumpster right next door and put the new one in again to give me some more room in the garage. So when we put the hoist together, we have more room to pull the engine out, place it. And we got access to the fuel pump whenever we need it to upgrade it for the turbo setup. But it's easy enough, so I'm not worried about it. Hey, a free flathead, I'll take it. Not that bad under here actually. Usually it's like mega gross, but this isn't that bad. That was a pain in the ass, like, for real. Some change. Alright, get the new seat in, and then we'll have more room and just some more progress made on the car, some more work done. Yeah. So, one by one, just getting these seat bolts back in. And we'll put the lower seat back on, and the rear seat install will be done. If I come back to put the carpet in, I'll probably have to pull it back up, but that's fine. That'll be the bottom one anyway. Looks like somebody had some sort of speaker wire back here. I'm gonna pull that out. Let's admire our handiwork. That looks sweet. Let's go ahead and put the bottom on. It's awesome. That looks really, really good. I've always liked red interiors on blue cars, so. Whoa! I think that looks amazing. You come around and you look through it to the window, you see the little red on the blue. I really like that. I've always liked that. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Not awesome. Awesome. So, we made some pretty good progress today. We got the trunk installed. We got the new seats installed. We got all the door panels on, except for the one I'm missing. We know what we need to get the bumper aligned. And we are making some pretty damn good progress. So, if you're happy, if you're stoked on this build, you're stoked on the progress being made, leave us a comment, drop us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, because this build is only just beginning and it's going to get more and more awesome as parts arrive, as we get more and more work done. So, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Stay tuned, next one. More than likely, we'll be pulling out the engine as long as things go as planned later this evening. Remember, go out there, do something awesome. Peace.